How to add your birth name on Messenger Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add your birth name on Messenger Lite. First thing, go to Messenger Lite and then click this settings icon in the top corner and go down. Here you will find account settings and then click personal information, and here you will find this one name. Click on it and then just click add a nickname and click here, name type, click on it and select birth name, and now just add your birth name here, and after you add it just click save and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end. See you in the next video.